These are the Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer smart glasses, and here are 5 things you need to know about them before you buy them. Tip number 1, if you want to play music on these glasses but you can't find the button for it, that's because you need to use these built-in touch pads that are on the right and left sides of the glasses. But I don't blame you for being confused because, they're pretty tricky to find and they're basically invisible. Like, you can't see them right here and right here. So basically, whenever you have these glasses on, you need to slide your fingers over here, and they're going to play a kind of sound effect the first time you use them. That's how you know that you're pressing the touchpad. So if I were to tap here, it's playing the kind of noise that you would hear if you're typing on an iOS keyboard. It's kind of a little beep sound, and you can reprogram it to play all kinds of stuff or, perform various functions. By default, they automatically play music. You can also use them to rewind. You can use them to skip a song and use them to go back a song. You can do all kinds of things with these, but you have to program it through the MetaView app. And before you even use these for anything, you need to download the MetaView app to use them on your phone. So yeah, number 2, these glasses are pretty famous for one reason. You can record POV with them. So a lot of people think you can basically go anywhere while wearing these glasses and record anything you want without people knowing. But that's actually not true. While you can record anywhere you want with these glasses, people will know you're recording because it shows a white light next to the lenses, like this. See how that white light just turned on while I was recording the video? So if you want to buy these glasses to record your business meeting, trust me, it won't work. And before you go ahead and try to cover up the light with tape, they already thought of that. It won't let you start recording until you unblock the light, putting an end to your plan of secretly filming people. Tip number 3. The Hey Meta feature is a lot more useful than it's advertised to be. The voice assistant in these smart glasses, aka Meta, is surprisingly good, since it's often overshadowed by the recording features in the advertisements. You can use it to tell you almost anything, from what model car you're looking at to what kind of plant is in your front yard. The only problem I've ever had with this feature is that the amount of time Meta actually takes to respond.
To continue, make sure Bluetooth is connected.
Shut up. When you ask the question, expect a good 20 to 30 second wait before you actually get an answer. First, it takes a picture of what you're looking at, then analyzes it, then it prepares its response. For example, hey Meta, what kind of computer is this?
To continue, make sure Bluetooth is connected.
Okay, that didn't work because Bluetooth was not connected, but it was supposed to work. Number 4, if you want to use these glasses as regular glasses or sunglasses, make sure you know what you're doing. And yes, there is a way to use these as regular glasses, but the best solution is not only to turn them off. When you want to use these as normal sunglasses, definitely don't leave them turned on, but there's a lot more steps to it than just that. When you want to use these as normal sunglasses, there are moments that when Meta thinks it hears something and then starts yapping really loudly, embarrassing you in front of everyone you know. Make sure you disconnect Bluetooth, set the volume to silent, and finally, then you can turn them off. Number 5, the recording limit for these glasses is 60 seconds. Disappointing, right? But don't worry, because these glasses support live streaming. If you create a separate Facebook/Instagram account, sign into the MetaView app, connect these glasses to that device, and then live stream your footage onto that account, it automatically saves your content for you, and you don't have a limit. However, these glasses do overheat, so expect an average of a 20-minute live stream before they start burning your hands off. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, drop a comment, and let me know what you thought of this video. I'll leave the link to the Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarers down in the description. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to let you know more about these glasses that everyone is talking about. And yeah, that's basically it. See ya.